Saturday morning. I don't know what the date is, maybe the 18th, I believe. But I walked into here last night around 7:30, I guess. It's Carpinteria Beach State Campground. And on the other side of these little hills is the ocean. And I caught up with one of the bikers that had stayed where I did a few nights ago, a guy named Chris. And then a young girl, very friendly, really nice girl from Vancouver named Heather. So we all enjoyed dinner last night, and everybody's getting ready to head out today. Of course, they're on their bike, and they'll be further along than I will, but I'll probably end up where they are by the end of today. So I thought I'd walk up here and look at the beach. Well, here I am. I don't know if you can see it really well, but a lot of oil rigs out here, and I believe that's maybe Santa Barbara Islands. There are a couple of islands further out. Well, if I were going to spend the day here, this would be a good place to hang out. It's really a nice campground. The scenery is really pretty. I've been in canyons for the last 100 miles, it seems like. For hikers and bikers, the cost on staying here and putting up a tent is $10, and you have access to showers and bathrooms, and they're all relatively clean too. This is where I checked in last night at the guard gate. They were open until 8 o'clock. And last night we walked back up to a grocery chain called Vons, V-O-N-S, I believe. Somewhat like a Kroger or a Publix back in Georgia. He loaded up on a couple of things and came back and had a bite to eat. You see my yellow tent there. Occasionally you'll be interrupted during the night by a few raccoons, but I don't recall hearing any last night. Okay, I'm getting ready to unpack everything, pack up everything and head on out of here to the next location about 15 miles away. Sometime during the night, someone else showed up. It looks like they've got a little stroller called a Burley. I don't see a bike, but I don't know if they're pushing it or pulling it behind a bike. Okay, shut it down, and I'll take some more at a later date.